Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with CarWash College. Today I want to review how to adjust and maintain the air take-up on your Sonny's over and under conveyor. Before we start, make sure you get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com, and review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, a grease gun with all-purpose grease, and a rag. Now, let's get started. Before we want to start any repair or maintenance, we always want to lock out and tag out whatever it is we're working on. So we've already taken care of that in the back room. I'm going to bring in my assistant, Vic, and we're going to show you the proper grease points on the Sonny's over and under conveyor. Where are you going first?
All right, we're going to grease the rotational bearings. As you can notice on top of the conveyor, we have two grease fittings. So we just remove the cover, clean the area first, plug the grease gun, and we're only going to apply 1 or 2 pumps until you feel resistance.
Okay. Old school thinking in the car wash business was always we'd pump grease until we saw grease come out of the grease fitting. What we're doing if grease comes out of the fitting, though, is we're breaking the seal of the bearing. And we don't want to do that because water can intrude and dirt can get inside, and that bearing won't last as nearly as long. So 1 or 2 pumps until you feel resistance is the key. Where else are we going?
Okay, the other 2 bearings that it has to be greased here, we have the roller fork up and the slider carriage tube.
Okay.
Those bearings are supposed to be greased once a month. This one, let's go start with this one first. We wipe it down. We clean the area first, slide the grease gun, and the same thing, 1 or 2 pumps.
Okay. Now the next one's what?
The next one is the carriage, which is this guy right here.
Okay.
So the difference right here is we're going to apply grease until we see the grease coming out from the bottom. At the bottom we have a wheel hole. We're going to see the grease coming down. This is very important, and this is something that we have to do every single month. We have to apply grease. Once we see the grease, it's more than enough. And this will help the carriage move back and forth all day long while the conveyor is moving.
So that's not a bearing, however, so that doesn't really break our greasing rule. We're pumping that full of grease so that slide tube or the carriage can slide back and forth.
Correct.
Correct? Mm-hmm. And there you have it. That's how you properly grease a Sonny's over and under conveyor. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent wash experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.